Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz. In today's topic, we will talk about the shapes, the initial shapes in AutoCAD, and how to draw them, how to make them, and how to use them in your drawing. So first of all, we will talk about uh, rectangle. For making rectangle, you have to type R E C and enter. Then it will give you an option to select first corner. When you will click it, it will automatically select that corner. Then you have to first you have to right click it for selection of a point. Then you have to select right click again for putting dimensions. It will ask you for the length, so I will go for 4 feet length and then enter. Then it will ask you for the width. Then I will also type 4 feet and then enter, and it will automatically generate rectangle. And if we see the dimensions of that rectangle, so it will give you 4 feet in length and 4 feet in width, 8 feet in width as well. Then we will talk about arc. For making an arc, you will type A and then enter. It will ask you first point, then first you have to select first point and then second point, and it will automatically generate your arc. Then for making circle, you have to type C. It will ask for center point. Then if you had entered circle and clicked the center point of a circle, then it will ask you for radius of that circle. So I will go with 4 feet radius. When you will select it for finding the radius of circle, so it will give you 4 feet. It will show you 4 feet in length. Then I will go with ellipse. So for making an ellipse, you have to select elliptical arc. First you have to make it. Then it will also ask you about the radius of an arc. So I will go with 4 feet. I will go with 8.5 feet. For making an ellipse, you have to make various arcs. For making a polygon shape, you have to type POL and then enter. Then it will ask you about the sides, and I will go with 4 sides. Then it will ask you center, and it will then again ask you inscribed in circle or circumscribed about circle. Inscribed in circle means that it will be inside of the circle, and cir- circumscribed means that it will be outside the circle. So I will go with inscribed, and then I will it will automatically generate by 4 side polygon. Then I will again go with POL polygon, then I will go with 6 sides, and it will automatically ask for the center point. Then also inscribe, and I will go with 6 sides. Then I will also type ULV, and then I will make hexagon 8 sides. Then it will again ask inscribe, also it is 8 sides. Then I will go with poly again and type 10. Then click it, subscribe, and it will go with 10 sides. So basically, these are the some of the shapes that you can do in AutoCAD, and when you make these shapes, it will be best practice for making the shapes because according to the sayings, practice makes a man perfect. So if you will make, if you will do practice, then it will make you perfect. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uh, I hope it will be beneficial for you, and kindly subscribe my channel.